Hey there, health enthusiasts. I'm excited to share a story that might just change the way you look at your digestion. Today, let's dive into Jane's journey with a gut health supplement that has transformed her life. 3 months ago, Jane was just like many of us, struggling with digestive issues that made every day a bit harder. But then, she discovered a probiotic supplement that promised to turn things around. Skeptical yet hopeful, Jane decided to give it a shot. And guess what? It actually worked. Jane shares, "I've been taking this probiotic supplement for 3 months now and have noticed a significant improvement in my digestion and overall well-being. I feel lighter, more energetic, and my stomach issues have almost disappeared. I highly recommend." Now, why is Jane's experience important for us? Well, it highlights the power of taking control of our gut health. Probiotics, the good bacteria found in these supplements, play a crucial role in our digestion. They help balance our gut flora, which can be thrown off by diet, stress, or medications. Recent studies show that a balanced gut can improve your immune system, mood, and even your skin health. That's right, a simple supplement could be the key to not just better digestion, but a healthier, happier you. So if you're tired of digestive discomfort and looking for a change, why not take a leaf out of Jane's book? If you're curious to hear more about how probiotics could benefit you, check out the links in the description below for more testimonials. And don't hesitate to view more on our website. And if you've already started your journey towards better gut health, we'd love to hear your story. Don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any updates. Also, make sure to follow us on our social media channels to stay connected and informed. Thanks for watching, and here's to a healthier, happier gut.